Hey there, Robert Payne here. I want to introduce you to my new plugin called RDP URL Rotator. This is a very powerful, very flexible plugin where you create mother links that are going to be branded to your particular URL for your domain, and then you add child links to those mother links, and then you go out, you distribute the mother link however you want to do it through solo ads, or for advertising on sites like LeadsLeap, however you want to put your mother link out into the public. And then when people click on that mother link, it's going to rotate the child links that are associated with the mother link. So it all begins with creating mother links. Now, before you can create mother links, you need to make sure that the users that you want to create the child links for are part of the WordPress site. And you can do that in a couple of different ways. You can enter the people manually. Just if you scroll down and you go to users, add user, you can just use the inbuilt WordPress functionality for adding users. So you can do it that way. And then the second way is sometimes there are plugins that are available where you can create opt-in forms, and you can put an opt-in form like on your home page of your website, and then when people opt in, the plugin will automatically create a user account in the WordPress system for the person who just opted in. So that's another way to do it. But any way that you need to create a user, you have to do that first before you can start creating the child links for the participants, which the participants are going to be the users of the site. Now that doesn't mean that the users have to have access to your site to go into the admin area. If you want to, you can manually create the users and just do it anonymously. They don't even have to know that they have an account created for them. But either way, you have to have user accounts so that you can create the child links. Now, when it comes to creating the mother links, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. You can go to the mother links list right here, and if you look at the menu over here from URL Rotator, you have mother links, child links, add a child link. You got your stats page, you got a settings page, system info, API documentation. And so the first way that you can create a mother link is you go to the mother links list page, click on the add new button right here. You get a little pop-up. You have a field for the name, you have a field for the slug, and these slugs have to be unique. If you try to enter a slug that has already been used, it's going to throw an error and tell you that the process of creating the mother link has failed. Let me see if I can go down here. Yeah, see, I have a test mother link with a test dash slug. So if I go in here and try to create this again, it's going to throw an error. The second way that you can create mother links is if you go over here to add child link. And there's this little add button right here, this little add icon. If you click on that, this allows you to create mother links on the fly. So then you put in a name, you put in a slug, you can use a one-word slug, you can use words that are separated by hyphens, or you can run all the words together, however you want to do it. So you can go test hyphen slug, or you can go test slug, all ran together. However you want to do it, just remember that the slugs have to be unique, otherwise you're going to get an error message. And then you can put a name up here, whatever the name of the slug of the mother link that you want. And then once you create the mother link, it's going to populate this drop-down box right here. It's going to pre-populate it, and then I can just go ahead and show you how it's going to be. So this is going to be test. I've already done 2, so this is going to be test 3. And I'll go down here and create a slug. I'll put test 3 as the slug. Save the mother link, and now we have a little clipboard icon up here. So if you come over here, let's say the URL is going to be google.com. We'll set the weight. You can go over here to the user box, and there's a search for user icon right here. So if you don't already know the user ID, you can do a search. So I'll do a search for my wife, Joan Payne. Okay, there she is, user ID of 2. Here's information to make sure I'm looking at the right person. There's your name, there's your email address, and before you save this, well, actually, even after you save it, either way, it doesn't really matter, but you can go ahead and click this clipboard, and that's going to copy the mother link to the clipboard so that you can then go off to, send an email to your solo ad vendor, or you can go to Leads Leap, you can go to wherever you want to go to put that mother link out into the public, and it's going to be on your clipboard. It's going to be ready to paste wherever you need to paste it. And just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like, I'll paste it right here. And so it's going to be your domain. So it's going to be branded to your domain. So in my case, it's painworldwide.com. Then it's going to say Rotator. That's unique to the plugin so that we know how to read the URLs. And then this is at the very end is going to be the slug for the mother link. And this is the basic format of how the mother links are formatted. And like I said, you click the clipboard, or you click the clipboard, and it will copy it, and you'll be ready to paste it wherever you need to paste it. So that's the second way to create the mother link, and then you create the child link at the same time. So let's go back over here to the mother links. We have action links right here, what they call row action links in WordPress. So you can edit the link, you can go look at the child links, you can view the stats, or you can delete it. And then if you delete this mother link, it will delete all of the child links as well at the same time. Again, we got the clipboard icon, so you can copy the mother link to your clipboard. You can also come over here and copy the shortcode with this clipboard. So if you want to embed the rotation of the sites into one of your pages on your website, you have the option to do that. And then over here we have the number of child URLs associated with the mother link. We have the number of redirects that have been issued for that particular mother link, and it gives you the date that the link was created. So this is the basic information for the mother links. We can drill down and look at the child links. So we have one child link. This is my child link. And in this case, I am promoting something called $20 Mega Stamp Program. This is an offline mail order program. So you can use this plugin as a way to incentivize offline mail order programs. You can include a cover letter with whatever flyer you're sending out saying, hey, if you join me, I'm going to be doing online promotion of this program, and I will put you into the rotator for my team so that when people online want to look at this opportunity, you'll be in the rotator, so your flyer will have a chance of coming up, and then the person can download that flyer, print it out, fill it out, and send the money to you and to the other participants of the mail order program. So you can use it for offline. Obviously, you can use it for online programs as well. And there's, so that's one way you can do it with, promoting offline programs. Another thing, see if we come back over here and look at the child links again. So like Affiliate Mentor Spark, you can set up a mother link and offer as a bonus to the people who are signing up through Affiliate Mentor Spark using the using your team. It's going to be a team concept. So then you tell them, hey, join up with me on my team, and I'll put you into the team rotator. I mean, because a lot of these programs, they have spillover, but the spillover doesn't often work the way that you would desire. So this is one way to help fill in those matrices a little bit better, level by level, instead of a, kind of a higgledy-piggledy kind of a fashion. Then we have stats. You can drill down onto the stats. So in this case, there's my wife, Joan. She's had 4 redirects over 2 days. The last refer was Pain Worldwide AMS, which is actually the mother link. And then the last redirect was on June 6th. And then from this child link, you can drill down even further. So here you can see all of the redirects that have taken place that have been captured. You got the IP addresses, you got the user agent, and you have the referrer if it's available. So in some cases, these are direct calls to the mother to the mother link, and then right here you have where it was a link that was embedded somewhere inside one of the web pages on the website. So somebody clicked on that link that was on one of the pages of the website, and so it captured the website as being the referrer. Now, in some cases, if you come over here to stats, I'll show you something, or actually settings. So we have right here a setting to exclude bots and crawlers. You typically want to exclude bots and crawlers so that they don't skew your statistics for your redirects. And then there's also the option to exclude search engine referral traffic, because sometimes, I don't know how it's happening, but the search engines, they're still crawling, even though I have this checked here. They're still crawling the site from search engine listings or search some way. I don't know how they're doing it, but you're able to check this box here, and if you know that you're not trying to index your link on search engines, you don't want these search engine referrals to be skewing the statistics of your redirect. So you can go ahead and check this, and that should turn off all manner of search engines and crawlers messing with your statistics if you don't want that. And then you can go ahead and turn on or enable or disable the statistics altogether with this particular option right here. So if I turn this off and save changes, so now you notice over here under the URL Rotator menu items, the stats menu item has completely disappeared. So it's not going to be tracking. If you don't care about stats, just turn it off. Then of course we have the days of retention. The default is 30 days. So you can set that to either 1 all the way up to 365 days of retention, and then the system will automatically purge the statistics data so that it's not bloating your database. So we're going to save this, and that will turn the stats back on. Let's go to let's go to child links over here. All right, so as I mentioned before, you need to have users. You see that you have an active status. If there's a user that you want to deactivate for whatever reason, you can go in here and individually deactivate them. If you have a lot of different mother links that you have associated with the same user, well, see, like up here, you're showing the links for Robert Payne, ID 1. You can go ahead and use the bulk action. You can deactivate all of these links at the same time. You can go back in and reactivate them if you have deactivated them. And then, of course, you can go ahead and delete all these if you want to get rid of the participants' child links altogether, so that they're no longer participating in any of the programs. So as far as mother links, I already mentioned that this is an offline program. Obviously, you can use it for online programs. I have it here for Affiliate Mentor Spark, but you don't necessarily have to be rotating people with, with their affiliate links. You can also just set up another link like I did down here, Easy Profit Products. So I'm not offering this as a team rotator or anything like that. This is just a collection of products or product links, affiliate links. And if you go here to child links and look at it, you see there's only 2 participants. There's my wife and there's myself. So with this particular link, I'm only rotating affiliate product links. So that's one way you can do it. You can do it with just selling products, rotating the referral links for products. You can go ahead and run a co-op if you want to do it that way. So if you come over to the mother links, and then you'll create a mother link, and then you can sell spots to that co-op, add child links for all the participants who pay you to be in the co-op, and then you would send that mother link off to your solo ad provider, or again, if you're advertising in Leads Leap, wherever you're advertising, you would just send that mother link off, and then everybody who is participating in the co-op is going to get part of that traffic, coming to them. Let's see here. See, I went over settings, I went over stats, and here is the stats dashboard. There's not an overwhelming amount of stats that I put into this plugin. It's enough to let you see what's going on, but it's not overwhelming. So you can go up here. You can set the period from today's, the last 7 days, last 14 days, the last 30 days, and then all time. And then of course you have your total redirects, your redirects for today, redirects over the last 30 days, redirects for this month, and then you have the number of tracked mother links. So these are the links that have had redirects hit on their particular link, and so that's being tracked here. And then you can see the number of tracked child links that are going to be associated with the tracked mother links. And then over here we have quick actions. So you can manage your mother links. You can add a child link. You can look at the mother link stats. You can look at child link stats. You can go to the settings page. And at the very bottom, you can purge all of the stat data. So you can start all over again. And then here are the different cards. So you got the top mother links over the last 30 days, top child links over the last 30 days. Now, if you come up here and change this to 7 days, so now it's, the last 7 days on these cards right here. And so you have the top participants, you have the top referrers. So again, like I was saying, you got these search engines, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Google, and then here's one redirect that came from Traffic Spacebar. And that's that as far as stats. It's, like I said, it's not overwhelming, but it's good enough to let you know what's going on. And if we go over here to child links again, let's see, child links. And so we'll look at, I have my mixed income opportunities mother link right here. So this is another case where I'm not particularly trying to put people into some kind of matrix or some kind of MLM program. I'm just rotating affiliate products with this particular mother link right here. If I go into stats, I can drill down to the nitty-gritty details. So I can see the redirect date, IP address, user information, and where the refer came from. Where the hit on the mother link came from. And then this is going to, obviously associated with the child link, but at least I know, where the referrer came from for each child link that was served from the mother link. So you can go you can get down to the nitty-gritty details if that's what you want. So that pretty much covers the features and the benefits of this particular plugin. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. Again, my name is Robert. You can send an email to support@rdptechsolutions.com. I will go ahead and put a link. So it's going to take you over to the actual page. Got the mother link here. I will go ahead and put put the URL on the screen for you. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.